Hello, keto bonitos and fabulous fasting friends.
Welcome to the Liz Skatz channel.
Welcome to my channel! So, what's on the show tonight? Kind of a fajita mix.
In this video, we're talking about intermittent fasting.
I want to inspire you today. We've lost over 100 pounds in weight between us. How often you should weigh yourself. Keto flu. Top 10 tips.
Pippity scatterdog, confused by a squirrel.
Nature.
Yes, walking.
You look very different. You'll hear some bone honest truth. Can we help?
Meh, meh, meh. Kickstart your weight loss and become even more healthy. Autophagy.
72-hour fast.
Keto bonito.
Anti-aging.
Fasting, 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 fasting.
Brain fertilizer.
Massive weight loss.
Live stream. Yay!
Yeah!
Mental health.
Is that too much to ask?
Aromatherapy and essential oil.
Daily lifestyle. They took my blood. Conquered my diabetes. What happens to your body? It's a very, very special insight.
Whenever you have the need.
3 major side effects.
So should we be taking supplements?
Seasonal affective disorder.
Yeah, sorry about that, just caught me having me nuts. I will be answering all of your questions. How many omega-6s? How many omega-3s?
Get through those winter blues. Hope you're all safe and well.
Cholesterol.
Maintaining weight.
Prolonged extended fasting. The king of all hormones. The breath. And how to utilise that.
Be inspired by my story.
Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin.
You are amazing.
The top 10 foods.
2 recipes for cheesecake.
Cheating.
I am going to help you with the determination and the motivation that you need. It's more important than ever, isn't it? To lift everybody's spirits and celebrate together. Peace and love. Taste my rum balls. More cheese than an Ed Sheeran gig. What comes next?
And you've just stepped on the scales and it was a little bit scary.
We'll be telling you all about the amazing plans we have for the future. Something we never imagined a year ago.
Come join us.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
And click on the bell.